Montlick and Associates proudly presents the Montlick Military Salute of the Week.
I volunteer as a family readiness advisor for the Bayside Family Readiness. I volunteer with Mr. Marcus White and Mrs. Rebecca Regan, and we assist families in readiness operations. I would recommend that any spouse, young or old, new to the Marine Corps Logistics Base, to visit their Marine Corps Family Team Building to get involved with things going on the base. Contact Mr. Marcus White. He is the Family Readiness Officer for Bayside. And then there's First Sergeant Duarte. He's the Family Readiness Officer for Logistics Command. And they're both found at the Marine Corps Family Team Building, located on the Marine Corps Logistics Base, right across from the clinic. It's been great. I've had the opportunity to meet other families, other friends, to travel, experience different cultures, and just grow as a military spouse. I've been to Okinawa, Japan. I've had the chance to visit Korea. I've been to Hawaii, and then domestically, Alabama, South Carolina, North Carolina. It gives me a chance to experience what it's like to be in other places, to appreciate where I'm from, and for my children, they get to experience traveling in different ways, meeting friends from all over the place, and just growing as families. The toughest part of being a military wife is not knowing the unexpected. And when I say that, I mean, as a spouse, we have to be strong. We have to be very supportive and understanding. Our husbands tend to travel a lot, sometimes unexpectedly. When we have plans, we may have to cancel those plans due to duties that he has to fulfill. So it's important as a spouse to know that those things can happen and just be supportive of those things. We have two daughters, Sierra and Cicely, and if they came to me or my husband to say, Mom, Dad, we want to join the military, I would sit down with them to make sure that's what they want to do. I wouldn't discourage them because I look at my husband as a role model for them. And if it's something that they're serious about and they want to do, I will support them. My advice to any military spouse will be have an open mind. Be supportive of your spouse. It enhances his or her career. Try to be positive even during the negative times. Try to find some positive. Try to be as supportive as you can because we are a spouse. That's the toughest job in the Corps, and you have to be strong at it. So my advice would be as supportive as you can and be the strength that your spouse needs. I'd like to first of all say happy anniversary to my husband. Today is our 17th anniversary, and to tell him that I love him and I miss him, and my family back in North Carolina, my in-laws in South Carolina, and my children, Sierra and Cicely.